This video shows the interaction between a virtual reality environment made with Unity and the Arduino microcontroller. So basically, when you see the virtual character upon the bridge, you can see that a light comes on at the bottom of the virtual scenario, and a light also comes on in the real world, in the sense that we have a LED controlled by Arduino that lights up. In the next sequence you can see that the sun is rising up very quickly, and this is controlled by Arduino by means of a light sensor. Basically, the idea is that the virtual scenario can adapt to the conditions, to the light conditions of the actual real scenario.